Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Coinbase with two-factor auth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Coinbase login page. Enter your registered email address and password. Click the Sign In button. If prompted, check your email for a two-factor authentication code. Open your email application. Locate the email from Coinbase containing the verification code. Carefully copy the 6-digit code. Return to the Coinbase login page. Paste the code into the designated two-factor authentication field. Click Verify. If you have enabled an Authenticator app, open the app on your device. If using Google Authenticator, tap the Coinbase entry. Write down or type out the 6-digit code displayed. Return to the Coinbase login page. Paste the new code into the authentication field. Click Verify. Once verified, you will be directed to your Coinbase account. If you have the option, consider remembering your device for easier access in the future. For added security, ensure your two-factor authentication settings are correctly configured. Always log out after your session, especially on public devices. Now you are authenticated and can begin using your Coinbase account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.